How to add shapes and stickers in PixelLab. Want to make your designs more fun and creative in PixelLab? I will show you how to add shapes and stickers step by step. Let's get started. First things first, launch PixelLab and open a new project or an existing one. Tap the plus button at the top left corner. Select shape from the available options. Pick a shape, circle, rectangle, triangle, star, etc. from the options. The shape will appear on your canvas. Drag to move it and use corner handles to resize or rotate. Tap the shape, go to fill to change its color or gradient. Add stroke for outline, shadow or opacity adjustment for more effects. To add stickers, tap the plus button again and select sticker. Browse preloaded stickers or add your own from the gallery. Tap to add, drag to position, pinch to resize, rotate if needed. And that's it. Now you know how to add shapes and stickers in PixelLab to make your designs eye-catching and fun. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.